Hi, I'm Darren McDonald. I've been playing a substantial amount of World of Warcraft lately. Why? Because I'm a nerd. Anyway, so I'm in PvP doing Arathi Basin, and this guy, who shall remain named Forensics, he keeps calling this guy a tool, and he keeps saying that this guy's a shitty player. And he says, oh, this guy is a scrub, he's a tool, he's the worst player in this whole team. And my reply was, yeah, says the guy who's 2 levels too low to even be in this map in the first place. And then the guy loses his mind on me, saying how I'm worse because I don't have that many kills, even though in Arathi Basin I've been defending flags the entire time. If you don't understand what I'm saying, stop watching, because it's gonna get nerdier and nerdier from here. Anyway, so I say that to him, and then this guy just goes ape tits on me. And I responded with, you shouldn't be so disrespectful to a guy that could one-shot you. And he replies with, oh yeah, you could one-shot the guy that's 4 levels lower than you and has crappy wrath gear. I don't give a shit how bad your gear is and how bad your health is. If you're gonna open your mouth and start spewing shit, you're gonna get fucked by the big boys. So seriously, shut your damn mouth. You have 20k health, and you should think about that next time you want to speak. Really wasn't much of a PSA, it was more like just a rant. I don't care. I am Darren McDonald. See you soon, everybody.